Hello, my name is Katiana. I'm from Haiti. Today I will tell you about my daily routine as an immigrant, especially as a single mother. Let's see. Life in America can be better if you work hard, you work as you make your life better. If you don't know the language, every time you go somewhere, that can be very stressing. You see the people from the same country like you. When you ask for information, you lost somewhere, they just say, I'm not Haitian. Try to check on other people to help you. I can understand your language. What are you talking about? Now, I can say, Immigrant Learning Center give me a good way. I'm not gonna have any regrets to come in school. As a immigrant, not only for in United States, everywhere you go, the best thing is to go school, cause it can be very bad, but in the future it will be better than before. I remember one day that's stressing. I'm coming back work. I pay for my daughter. I saw her sleep alone in the living room. When I asked for that, the people I pay for her say we don't have place in the bedroom. Yes, she need to stay alone. I just say why? If she wake up, she want to go to the bathroom. We can confuse, go outside. You know, not only me go to the jail, every people live in the apartment because I've proved I pay for her and I go working. I'm not go to the party to leave my daughter alone. I pay for that. This is the life of USA. Sometimes the people in your country think you have a better life, but they don't know nothing. If you don't share your experience, I have some advice too. Stop to copy the people on radio social. Sometimes they show the better thing, but their life is not easy for them. And I was like my job because I like to care about people. That's me. I have empathy because when I care with someone, I just think I care about my family, my mother. Work at the airport, it was a good experience because I improved my language, my English, and I make a lot of friends. I can mention Fatima Zara. She was my classmate. She's my co-worker. That's amazing. I remember a lot some people from another country because I don't know my future. Everyone should work like that. And even I like my job at the airport. I have my dream to come in the future a registered nurse. already start step by step. I study nursing assistant. Now I got my license. I work as a CNA. I'm gonna work very hard for that because when I have a dream, I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna try to repeat. That can be positive for me. I'm gonna get my license registered now soon. I promise you.
Hello, my name is Katiana. I'm from Haiti. Ça passe na boule Haïti dans la mondiale. Peace. Period.
Hello, my name is Nicolas Jory and I'm from Haiti. Aibobo, Grenadier, Alasso.
Hello, my name is Fatima Zahra. I am from Morocco. لا استسلام خليك ديما متفائل.
Hi, my name is Cynthia. I'm from Brazil. Esperança.
We got it.